آدم يبدأ من آدم نفسه حينما أخرجه الله سبحانه وتعالى من الجنة بسبب إسيانه، فأخرجه الله سبحانه وتعالى، لكنه تفكر كيف يفعل وإلى أين يذهب، فأمره الله سبحانه وتعالى أن يقول كلمات، وهذا معنى فتلقى آدم من ربه كلمات فتاب عليه إنه هو التواب الرحيم. وهذه الكلمات هي كما عرفنا في سورة طه: قال ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا فإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. دل هذا على أن الإنسان بطبيعته يدعو الله سبحانه وتعالى، وإن لم يفعل فليس بعابد، وقد أمر الله بذلك ووعد بالإجابة في قوله تعالى: وقال ربكم ادعوني أستجب لكم. فهذا أمر. لماذا أمر الله سبحانه عباده أن يدعوه؟ لأن الدعاء هو العبادة كما جاء في الحديث: الدعاء مخ العبادة. دل ما تسمعون أيها الأحباب على أن حال التي كنا فيها في نيجيريا لا بد وأن ندعو الله سبحانه وتعالى، وها هو وقت الدعاء قد جاء، كما قال سبحانه وتعالى: وإذا سألك عبادي عني فإني قريب أجيب دعوة الداعي إذا دعان. نسأل الله سبحانه وتعالى أن يستجيب دعوانا، نسأله سبحانه وتعالى أن يجعلنا من المخلصين المؤمنين، نسأله سبحانه وتعالى أن يمن علينا بالثبات ويمن علينا بالأمن في نيجيريا. All praises and glories are due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We thank Him, we believe in Him, we bear witness that there is no deity worthy of being worshipped except He subhanahu wa ta'ala. Brothers and sisters in Islam, we have discussed in one of our sermons the connection between Ramadan and faith. And we followed it by a discussion on relation between Ramadan and piety. Today we are going to look at the relationship between Ramadan and dua, supplication. This is very important at a time when Nigeria is facing a very serious challenge. Everything is not working well. People are dying. Our roads are not secured. Most of the parts of the country is not secured. And the government is always telling us what we don't understand, that they are doing their best. And we deserve more than that, their best. That is what I always say. Yes, you said you are doing your best, but we as citizens are saying that we deserve more than that, your best, because we want a secured Nigeria. And what you are now telling us, that your concern is all about 2023 election. And what I'm advising the citizens to do is to send a message that yes, we are going to vote in 2023, but under condition that there must be security in Nigeria. Period to that, we are not going out to vote anything. If that's the only language you understand, we're going to speak it. Because our lives are important. We are people. We want to live. And our dignity is important as well. Our wealth is important. Every part and bit of us is important. Therefore, you must do something to scare our life and to make our security workable. We can't afford to be moving like this. People bombing our trains, killing our people, kidnapping our people as if there is no government in the country. They can gather information, they can gather intelligence information, they can dispatch information, they can dispatch intelligence information as if they are government of their own. While our government cannot share intelligence information and stop the rubbish on our ways, we can't afford it. I said it, we can't afford it. We need something better than this. And we deserve that thing better than this. We're going to pray. But we have to tell you the truth. That corruption is everywhere. That is why we are seeing this. And you have to do something about it. And you, the citizens, have to start praying seriously. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, if my servant asks you about me, I'm close, I'm near. And I answer the supplication of supplicants if they supplicate unto me. So supplicate to Allah so that He will change our situation. Qumu ila salatikum yarhamukumullah. A daidaita, a gyara jeri, a kyauta niyya, a kashe waya.